Hi, welcome to the live demonstration of GenreGuru, our web application, developed by myself, Shashank Prasad, and my partner, Ankit Nagla. This project is part of the course CSCI 548 Information Integration on the Web at University of Southern California. 2.4 million movies, 1.9 million actors. Still, only 1,000 websites have tried to rate those movies. Furthermore, only a handful of websites have ever attempted to rate actors. In our investigations, we did not find a single website that actually rated actors based on individual genres of movies. GenreGuru is our answer to that. Using the power of data integration and technologies relevant to it, we are going to quantify actors' acting strength in various genres and present a contrasting versatility meter to the audience so that they could judge that given an actor in what genre he's actually good in acting and what is his overall crowd favoritism score and overall critic rating. Let us just go ahead and use the application. First of all, let me describe the basic data sources that we are using for data integration. All the data about movies and actors and awards is present firstly in IMDb, second Wikipedia, and Rotten Tomatoes. From Rotten Tomatoes, we are basically using just the tomato meter and the audience rating. If we go ahead and use our web application, this is the basic search engine page where we can search for any actor about which we want to know the ratings. So let's just go ahead and choose an actor. Let's go for a celebrated one. Let's say Tom Hanks. This is the landing page. This describes a lot of things about Tom Hanks. On the left bottom corner, you see basic and other summarized information, which shows his full names and movies and awards and the count of total nominations. Here's a photograph taken from IMDb. On the upper right corner, we see actors' overall critic rating as 7. Now this critic rating is calculated based on the critic ratings of all his movies from IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes, as well as only his critic awards from IMDb and Wikipedia. For this application, we had to collect all the awards and differentiate between all the critic awards and the popular choice or audience awards. Furthermore, we also had to differentiate between nominated awards and awards won, and we have to give them separate weights in order to calculate his final critic rating. Actors' overall crowd favoritism rating of 6.6. Now this rating is calculated from the popular choice awards only from IMDb and Wikipedia, the audience rating for all the movies from Rotten Tomatoes, and the cumulative profit made by all his movies. So if his movies did well, they would automatically give him more favoritism score because more people went to the theaters and watched it. The next you can see his acting strength meter, which shows his actings based on different genres. So we have focused our efforts mainly on 7 genres of that of action, adventure, comedy, drama, romance, sci-fi, science fiction, and thriller. In order to make these scores, we clustered all the information that we got based on individual genres and then computed the scores. So his scores in any genre, let's say drama, were based on the number of movies that he has done in drama. How well did those movies do in theaters? Were they box office hits or were they flops? How long did they stay in theaters? How many number of awards did he win for those movies? And many other parameters. Everything focused on a particular genre. And here you can see a comparison that Tom Hanks is good in drama and adventure, whereas he's not good in science fiction and action, which is quite obvious based on the movies that he has seen. But when a new person sees that an actor is good in a particular genre, the next question would come to his mind, okay, what are the movies that have contributed in him getting this high score? So let us analyze and let me prove how stable and how accurate these ratings are and why one should trust these ratings. First of all these ratings are normalized across all the actors in the system. Secondly, If one sees that, let's say, Tom Hanks has a high score in drama, the next question that immediately comes to our mind is, what are the movies he did in drama that have gotten this score? So, we have provided actors' most successful movies in each genre. When I click on drama, I see a whole list of movies. Now, instead of simply providing you a list of movies, we have provided you a sorted list of movies from best to worst, in the order of contribution they have done for this person getting 8.54 score in drama, and also based on the success of each movie and his success in that movie. That means if the movie did well, it would be on top, and if he got more awards for it, it would also be on top. So his most successful movies in drama were Toy Story 3, Saving Private Ryan, for which he also got an Oscar, Toy Story again, Forrest Gump, which is another classic, Catch Me If You Can, Apollo, Castaway, all are classics. And his not so popular movies would be down, which very less people would have even heard about. It shows a complete list of all the movies in this genre. In order to contrast these results, let us see some genre in which he has lesser score. Let's say action. So let's see the movies in action. Oh, he has only 4 movies in action, but one of them had Saving Private Ryan. He had won Oscars for that, and Captain Phillips was a huge hit in terms of box office. So still it has contributed to giving him a score of 4.6. In order to contrast between actors' score in one genre versus a different actor's score in that same genre, let us try to see Tom Hanks' score in comedy versus some actor who was good in comedy. Let's say Ben Stiller. So Ben Stiller has an overall critic rating of 3.9 and crowd favoritism rating of 3.4. However, his acting strength in comedy has got him 7.3. And that is because there's a huge list of movies that he has participated in, and he has huge experience in comic movies. Some of the most common famous ones were The Royal Tenenbaums, Meet the Parents, Tropic Thunder, who has not seen that, Megamind, and many others. Madagascar 3, that's a child favorite. So it's obvious that the person who has done more movies and the movies have done well cumulatively contribute to him getting a high score in that genre compared to someone else who has done movies but the movies have not done well. I mean, Toy Story series have done well but not the rest. So henceforth we show that GenreGuru gives stable and consistent results for different actors for different genres. Thus, if someone wanted to search for a movie or search for an actor and know his acting strengths in all genres, and then only watch a handful of movies which are his best movies in that genre, he would go to GenreGuru. Thank you.